Oh my god, everyone keeps typing this. What does IDK mean?
I don't know.
Ugh, I know. I don't know either. No, I don't know. No one seems to know. It's crazy.
Holy sh! You're actually so dumb.
Stop trolling me. I'll ask Google. He knows everything.
Hello, my queen. How may I assist you?
Let me test if he's working first. Google, what does sub mean?
It means subscribe and like this video right now, and I'll give you Robux.
Now time for the real test. What does IDK mean?
I don't know.
How does Google not know what IDK means?
I do. I don't know.
Stop messing with me!
IDK.
IDK.